In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page number format in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've been working with PDFs regularly and need a specific page numbering format for your documents, you're in the right place. Adobe Acrobat Pro DC provides a straightforward method to customize page numbers, making your documents more professional and easier to navigate. To start, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once the document is open, you'll notice the menu at the top of your screen. Click on the Edit option, which is located on the top left corner. This will give you access to various editing tools that you might need to make changes to your document. Now, look for the option that says Header and Footer. Click on it and then select either Add or Update, depending on whether you're adding new headers and footers or updating existing ones. This step is crucial as it leads you to the part where you can make adjustments to your page numbers. Once you're in the header and footer settings, you'll see an option labeled Page Number and Date Format. Click on this to set the format that you require for your page numbers. Adobe Acrobat gives you several choices here. For instance, you might want to use formats like page 1 of n, where n is the total number of pages, or you might just want a simple page number. Pick the format that best suits the requirements of your document. After you've chosen your page number format, ensure that your document's page numbering starts correctly. This is usually set to begin at page number 1. Set your starting page number as 1 unless there's a specific reason for a different starting number. Once you're happy with these settings, click OK. However, before you proceed, check if your PDF already has existing page numbers. If it does, it's important to delete these old page numbers first to avoid any confusion. Once you've removed the old numbers, go ahead and click on Insert Page Number to place the new ones. Finally, click OK once more to confirm and apply all the changes you've made. By following these steps, your PDF document will now have a fresh page numbering format just the way you need it. This process enhances the professionalism of your documents and can make a significant difference, especially if you're preparing reports or materials for official purposes. Having a clear and consistent page numbering format is a small detail that can greatly improve the readability and organization of your PDF files. So try it out, and with a few clicks your document will be all set.